Okay. All right. Welcome. Let's start with the. Oops. Yep. All right. Welcome to Midwestern Samoan, and welcome back, and welcome for the first time. And if this is the first time, really welcome. Anyways, today, just a couple of reminders to make sure you hit that, hit the subscribe button. It's it's a star at the bottom there, and then also, if you are wanting to know more about the classes for the Sāmoan language, we still have seats open. You can go to the link in the bio, and you'll get sent to the Midwestern Samoan store, and you'll be able to purchase that seat and lock it in for $40 a month. As man, I forgot who it was that said that. That's a steal. So we go over things about the Samoan language, the in the basics, and then and beyond. So the when you go and you purchase that, you actually get the first lesson of the first slides of the Samoan language in the course sent to you automatically to your email, and make sure you put in your phone number so that we can get a hold of you.
Still looking for
yes,
one person.
Yes, yes. So if you recently if you last week purchased the class, then we are still waiting to hear back from you. So you man, I forgot the oh well. Anyways, so you know who you are, hopefully, and so yeah. The what I wanted to go over today is it's a weird grammar thing, but I think it's good to know, because you'll hear these words and maybe you won't be familiar, and now you will be, right? So words. So let's just get right into it, right? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go through these. I think you guys can see that. Um, the these middle words are common words, and feel free to comment if you know what these words mean. I meant to put the meaning of the words, but so now this word here, right? If you know what it means, go ahead and type it in. Let's see here, malo. So hey, welcome, Terrence. Good to see you. Good to see you. Man, by the quick note, Terrence, I couldn't download the thing that you sent me because I don't know, my phone's messed up. So if you can email it to me, I meant to text you earlier. But Terrence, good to see you, and good to see you too. Funk Defied Hamo. Yes. So Funkified. Yes. Welcome. Now, I just wanted to go over this thing called a reflexive verb. Now, a reflexive verb is well, I'll explain it as we go. So these words in the middle are verbs, right? So if you know what they are, feel free to type them, show off your knowledge, things like that. So the first one, alofa, right? Alofa means what? To love, right? So I say to my love, Lori, every day, alofa tele yate oe. And then she says it back, right there?
Always.
Alofa tele yate oe means I love you very much, right? So alofa means to love. Ita, right? Ita or ika, right, is to be upset or mad, right? Alu means to go, right? And then o, so alu is to go in the singular, meaning like I go, ua o walu, right? Meaning I go. And then o is the plural for to go, right? It's o atu means to go, right? But you can say o just by itself, and usually in the context you'll know, right? So o means to go in plural. Tusi, as a verb, right, is to write, right? But I'm sure some of you would be on here and be like, I thought to see meant book. It does, right? As a noun, but as the verb, to see means to write, right? Now, in here, alofa means to love.
So what do you say if you're writing in the book?
Like I'm writing in the book,
Yeah.
or I write in the
I
book.
write in the book.
Or ua o to see.
In the tusi.
In the tusi.
Something like that.
That's right.
Is that really right?
That's right.
Oh my goodness. Because I write a lot in books.
Yes, you do. I was like, what are you trying to say? It's like, good one, dear.
I like tusi and tusi.
Yeah. That's right. That's right. So we have so alofa to love. Now, to make it reflexive, meaning like when something can go back and forth, right? Or to each other, right? Or or with each other, right? So that's so here, alofa, if you add fe and then ni at the end, fe alofani. Fe alofani means to love one another, right? So, like to use it in a sentence, just you could say, yeah, oto fe alofani, meaning like you love one another, right? Or you can say etatau. Etatau means like should. Etatau on fe alofani, right? It's ngata uma, right? Meaning like etatau on fe alofani, meaning etatau means should love one another, everyone, right? Etatau ona fe alofani ngata uma, right? So that's should love one another, right? Now, then to angry, right? Mad, right? You add the fe in the front, you at the back, right? Feita. Oh shoot, man, I forgot to add bloop bloop bloop. Doo doo doo. Doo doo doo. I was like, man, that doesn't look right. So you'd have. Doo 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 doo. Oh man, I'm writing like. Uh, oh, I gotta turn around. Feitangai, right? Feitangai, which means like to basically hate one another, right? So that's a reflexive for to be upset or mad, right? So feitangai, you say like or lato feitangai or sa. So it's like they sa feitangai lato, right? Like they hate one another, right? Or they hated one another. Sa feitangai lato, right? So that's you. That's how you turn like be mad and they mad with one another, um, to turn that into a reflexive, right? And alu, right? Alu means to go, right? And then to turn that like to go to and fro, right? Or to go back and forth is fealwa'i. And I like the way I always understood it is just kind of like to kind of like all over the place, right? Fealwa'i, right? And then that's just one person, right? To fealwa'i. And then fealwa'i, right? The o to go, and then you turn it into reflexive. That's to go plural, and then turn it reflexive. Feoai means to go back and forth. So the so feoai the is to go back and forth. So the reason why I'm even going over these is because I was talking about the song, the words to a song to one of the students, right? And the so in the lyrics it says and it's a popular song, right? Uh, so it's oh man, I can't even Fewai Fia Fia Io Tangata, right? So Fewai Fia Fia O Tangata, right? So he was like, and I was like, you've heard the word Fewai before, right? And he's like, no. And I was like, really? Like and like I was like, Fewai, like to like go to like wander about or like kind of just to like walk all over the place kind of thing, right? Or to go all over the place. Basically to go back and forth, like saying like the it's Sāmoan Matalasi, right? It's meaning like the people in Samoa go back and forth. So going back and forth, like in the wherever they go, they're happy, right? Because it's Samoa, right? So now again, alofa is to love, and how to say I love you again, like how I'd say to my love is alofa ya te oi, alofa tele ya te oi, right? Meaning I love you very much, and she says it back every time, right, dear?
That's right.
Sometimes she just says it, right?
I show it.
No, she shows it. Yeah. Right. And then tusi means to write, and then you turn that reflexive meaning like write one another, right? For tusiai, right? And again, you can say for tusiai mato, meaning like we write one another, like or we wrote one another, because I keep saying sa for some reason. So the way to turn verbs into the same way to turn verbs into the tense indicators to turn verbs are the same way to turn your reflexive verbs into present tense or past tense and things like that. So if you hear these words, and especially if you know the root word, so maybe sometimes you'll hear fe'alfani, fe'tanga'i, fe'alwa'i, fe'oa'i, tusi'i, like things like that. You can use the context, right? And then sometimes you'll be able to hear that root word in there, and then that'll help you to understand maybe what someone is saying, right? So that is the reflexive verb, the reflexive verb, and so there. So like okay, so even the let's see here.
Sing a song. Sing a song. We want a song.
You want a song?
We want a song.
You know, you if whatever you want, dear. Like,
we want a
that's
song.
whatever you want. That's what you'll get, right? All right. Oh. All right. Song time. Yeah.
Give us the pesek.
Give you
Give
the
us the
pesek. Okay. All right. So speaking of a song, and speaking of Sāmoan Matalasi.
TJ says, sing in a bass voice though.
TJ says to sing in a bass
this
voice.
is, the TJ from. We have so many TJ, but I remember you, TJ. You were on the other.
So Lausa Matalasi. That feels weird. Osi osi omia elisami. That feels weird.
Hey, it sounds good.
I feel like
Elvis. Elvis.
It's Elvis. He's back singing a bass voice though. Barry White. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta like. So okay, bass voice here comes. I feel like who I feel like Don Ho. That's what I feel like. If you guys know, you know. Tiny bubbles. Anyway, so.
Isn't this something like that's what it's all? Wait, no.
He might have done that. Don Ho, the Hawaiian Wayne.
Yeah.
Dang, what's his name? Anyways, not so. Lausa moa e matalasi. Uasi osi omia elesami. Atu maunga lanu lau ava. E whiua I fia o tangata. Lau Sāmoa ea. Le atua o lou whaawai e moni lea. Lea o malo tali ilangi. Samoa e I malo au whaatasi. I gotta take it up. Tulata oi I le ekueta. E mawhana foi e le vevela. So se mea awa le popole. E mamulu mai I le wha mole mole. La Sāmoa ea. Le atua o lo whaawai le moni lea. Le ao malo tali ilangi. Samoa e I malo au fatasi. La Sāmoa ea. Le atua o lo whaawai le moni lea. E ao malo tali ilangi. Samoa e I malo au fatasi. Samoa e I malo au fatasi. That's a classic. So thank you for bringing out the bass voice. Oos. Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
I don't know. That can mean so many different things.
Wait, I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Does that mean like, hey?
So many
Does
things.
that mean like, hey, we're just here for the lesson, like not here to see, not here like do your job, bro. Not sing.
What kind of fries you make? You can make some good fries.
That's.
I don't think he knows. I was gonna ask him if he
just
wanted.
Put the fries in the
I was gonna
bag,
ask him if he wanted something else.
Man, well, that's a good one.
Whatever.
So Just put. Hey, let us know what you meant by that because I'm pretty sure that's what it means. And so, and if that is what it means, man, that's mean.
Is it saying do your job? Like
Yeah, like do your job. Like teach us the lessons, man. Don't dude, give us teach us about the reflexive verbs, bro. Not we didn't come here for your singing. We came here to learn about reflexive verbs. Fine. Jeez.
No, that's
No?
not,
No? Oh, okay.
No.
Oh yeah. Forget you. In fact, we're gonna do another song just for that reason.
Yeah, and we're gonna dedicate it to.
Yeah, this is dedicated, right?
Wait, is it Ken?
Yeah, that's what it says. Ken.
Ken, we're gonna dedicate this next song to you. You got a song for you?
Yeah, we got it. We're gonna. I'm working on. You love tell for Samoa, tell for Samoa. Sulu lesbiapo, Emma eu le manaya. You love penina panba. Yeah, that's right. Malaupa anga wamalio, yeah, wamalio. So you. Whoa, live toy filoto. Olea seulo va ai malolo. La fuia le taula I fanua le vale po. Ia fatala la tala. Au mai se tala mai le wale sie. Ifo I mai o lau malanga. Sa eta milo ia Samoa. There you go, Ken. There's your bags, and yeah, take your bags, and I hope they're cold by the time you get home. So, oh man, can I play that song? Yeah. Oh wait, are you saying like I don't know?
They're asking a song that I don't know.
Wait. Do you want to play a song?
No, I think it's a typo. Can you play the song?
Can I? Oh no.
What is that song?
I don't know it. To be honest, I don't know. I don't even really know how to play the uke if you didn't notice. So that's my. This is not my instrument. I'm a piano player and I'm just learning the uke. But my the ingi is getting better. If you guys have been here before. Oh, so close. It's getting better. Yeah, I don't know that one. I know another one. You guys want to hear another one, dear? Gesundheit. Oh, that's German. All right. Okay. Samoa Silasi. Oh, thanks for the gifts, man. Appreciate it. I just now saw that. Sorry. Thank you so much. Those are much appreciated. Faftailava. Samoa Silasi. Usile fa fofonga. Langi lau pese o moonga. Bese whaamawai. Ua no te lau whātu. Ua tae lau ipu. Talu le tuina nau saufuna lau pele. Tu mai lo lima. Na whātalo wha. Talulu lima. Tō whāsoi fua. O lea foita. E mamau Samoa. Masi o uaina. Man, it's been a long time, so I didn't even know the strumming there. That sounds better. Do the hokey pokey. The hokey pokey. Do the hokey pokey. And that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your man, you know what the funny thing is? At Siva Samoa sometimes? Yeah, that would actually happen. Man, if you know, you know. No, like it'd be like after like a song like
tell people what that means.
Oh, Siva Samoa, yes, it's yes it is. It's, and so brief quick lesson if you don't know, for those of you who are here who are like just learning or wanting to learn, or and so I get a lot of people who are like, they'll rate themselves from like 1 to 10 when they're signing up for the classes, and they'll be like 0. So if you're here with 0, Siva Samoa, whenever we describe something or we say something that with an adjective, we usually say the noun first and then the adjective, right? So like so you know, so you say, I don't know, you could say the like if you want to say, so Siva means dance, Samoa is Samoa, and they say Siva Samoa is a Samoan dance, right? Or Bese Samoa, Samoan song, right? So yeah, so that's you can say you can say la'au, right? La'au lanu me mata, right? It's a green, or la'au means like plant or a tree. And you say green plant or a green tree, right? And or you can say laula'au, right? Laula'au, it means like a leaf. Laula'au is the leaf of the plant. Laula'au lanu me mata. And so that's a green leaf. So when I said Siva Samoa, and she's like, oh, make sure you tell them what that means. That's what it means. So and like a Samoan, like, so, and what I meant by that too is like there's Samoan dances, like you know, you people get up on stage and they dance. But then also we would have dances in the community or whatever, and you go, we have a band and they'll play songs, and then all of a sudden it will literally go to, you do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey, we do the hokey pokey, and that's what it's all about. And here's the crazy thing, like, man, it, like, I'm not ashamed to say it. We'd actually like get, I don't know if they say get lit anymore. I don't know, but like, get like, people would be all about it. We wouldn't even care how corny it was, right? We would just be like, it's just fun. So, anyways, so it's funny that you heard that here, and so. Is anyone into plants, by the way? If you are, actually, a few of the plants that you see here behind me could be actually like what was it called? Um, I believe a lot of these.
Not that one.
Well,
what he's trying to say
this
here.
kind of plant though.
Well, that's a pothos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you find pothos
a lot of philodendrons. So we
Yeah.
thought about putting on the shop
Yeah.
plants because like we have over 2,000 plants.
Yes, we do.
And a lot of terrariums, and we thought about. I don't know if anybody's even into plants,
Yeah.
but we were looking at like plants.
Yeah. Yeah, we were looking at plants that were
native
like
to-
actually like and the names, the native plants to Samoa. So like philodendrons, this is a philodendron here, right?
Yes.
I have to ask. This is a Florida ghost. I doubt there's a Florida ghost in Samoa, but
yeah, but those are just names. That
yeah,
I mean,
but
it
but
probably is. I mean,
but there's lots of philodendrons, for sure in Samoa.
I'm just curious about how many people are into plants.
Yeah.
That come and visit your.
And you are. We changed the background today. This is the new background. Talofa Island respect. Yes, I feel like if I turn this off, it'll be better. Like you see. What do you think, dear?
I don't know.
Oh boy, I don't want to. Oh gosh.
You don't even do that. There's a little.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I knew this. You know why? Because I wired it. So, never mind.
I was gonna say, I don't.
No, that's way better. All right. Anyways, so what do we have in there? We have begonia, right? Maybe I should learn the Fasa more for these plants.
I'm sure there's begonias.
Yeah,
there.
I bet
I'm
there
sure.
are.
So like
This
high
purple
humidity.
one is a begonia.
Oh, hey, Danny says, Talofa, my house is full of monsteras and kalo plants. Yes!
Yes!
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes! Hey,
Oh, that's so good.
I grow kalo too.
Oh, that's so good. I love that.
So, well, pretty soon you'll start seeing. I'm gonna start posting the kalo. In where we live, well, of course, we can only do it during the spring and the summer. So, and then by the beginning of fall. That's awesome, Danny Ocean. That's amazing.
That's great.
Yes. Play some old Samoan songs. I just did.
Well, he wasn't on here. So.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm gonna do it in my bass voice.
Someone asked if he could do it in a bass voice.
So yeah, someone's like, "Can you do it in a bass voice?" I'm like, "Okay." All right, old school. This is old school for you. And if you were here earlier, hey, you're getting an encore. Is what you're getting. Balusami all day. That's right. Oh man. Now I can't even think because now I'm thinking of Balusami and Kalo. Oh man. Anyways. La Samoa e matalasi. Uasi osi o mia elesami. Atu maunga la nulau ava. E whioa I fia o tangata. Lau Samoa, lau Samoa ea. Le atua o lo whaavai le moni lea. Lea o mlalo tali ilangi. Samoa e I malo au fatasi. Tulata oi I le kueta. Emma fana fana fo I elevevela. So o se mea awale popole. Emma mulu mai I le fa mole mole. La Sāmoan la Sāmoan ea. Lea tua olo whaawai e moni lea. Lea olo malo tali ilangi. Samoa e malo au whaatasi. La Sāmoan la Sāmoan ea. Lea tua olo whaawai e moni lea. Lea olo malo tali langi. Samoa e malo au fatasi. Samoa e malo au fatasi. All right, that's an old one. Hope you liked it. Oh yes. All right, I appreciate it. Yes, man, appreciate it, guys. You guys are so nice. Again, thank you for all the gifts. And thank you for joining. And real quick, just to review the just the reflexive verb. What makes a reflexive verb is when it's like making it like with each other, right? Or you're very welcome. And thank you. The to turn these verbs, right? Alofa, ita. Alofa means to love. Ita means upset, mad. Alu is to go singular, and o is to go plural. And oh, good man. That's what I love to hear. That people are singing along with the songs, and not telling me to just put the fries in the bag. So, and then tusi is to write. And then, so, that's just what they are by themselves. But like when you want to say like to love one another, you would say funny, right? Yeah, oto funny, meaning like, hey, you love one another, you love one another, right? And then tangai, and then oh, that's funny. Yeah, highly respect. I don't know if you were earlier, but I don't know if Ken's still here. Ken, as I was singing that song, he said, "Just put the fries in the bag, bro." And I can't get over it. I love
it's
that.
Kind of funny.
It is. It's
open to lots of interpretations there. It's kind of funny.
Oh man. Anyway, so it Fitangai. Fitangai means like to be mad with one another. Like they hate each other, right? Basically, they hate each other. So like you could say like or lato or Fitangai lato, meaning like they hate each other, right? And then you could be alu means to go, right? And then like to go back and forth. That makes it reflexive, and that is fealuai. That's singular, and feoai is the plural to like go back and forth. And so and the reason why I even went through Sāmoan Matalasi was as I was going over those lyrics with one of my students. And I said, "Feoai, fia o tangata," meaning like, and I was like, "Have you ever heard feoai?" And he was like, "No, not really." And I was like, "What? Feoai means like," and like I didn't really like understand the reflexive part of it until I was like, "O means to go. Feoai means to go back and forth, right? And that's plural. And then tusi is to write, and fetusiai means to write back and forth, right? So that's what it means to be reflexive. And the reason why I want to go over this is because sometimes we may hear these words like in the reflexive terms, and if you know what the base word means, and you can kind of pull it out of the reflexive word and then be like, oh, you know what, that must be, you know what I mean, that must be to love, something about love. And the reflexive, if it starts with the fe and then ends with like an ai or the ni, or nai, like, you can maybe pull it out and just maybe catch what they're saying. So that's what I run into a lot with people, especially who are just learning, or even like, don't know anything but want to know, want to be able to understand and hopefully to speak. That's the goal. And so if you are interested in joining the classes, feel free to check out the link in the bio, and you can sign up. Purchasing, it says classes for a month, and that's $40 a month. And as most people have said, that's a steal, right? And so yeah, it is. And then you can also, we get a lot of by people just hitting that star at the bottom that subscribes, and so you can subscribe to this, and then
there's like special
live
onlys with that.
Yes, which will be coming on Sunday. So there'll be subscriber only lives, which will be we'll have one on Sunday to go over, even in more detail over certain aspects of the Sāmoan language. And then if you really want to learn, in a structured course, then sign up for the classes. So thank you all for being here, and thank you for listening, even though you just wanted price. So we'll see you. I don't want to teach my wife to speak Samoan. That's funny. Hey, she knows. If you've been married long enough, like we've been married for 20, we're going on 21 years in next week. So, man, if she's around them, she knows. Like Lori, she knows. Like my love,
I don't really.
She knows. Don't try. Don't. Hey, you can think she doesn't know, but trust me, I hear it later. It's like, I think they said this about me. I'm like, hey, you're right. They did. You should have called them out. I don't want her to know what I'm talking about. hey, don't. She should know everything you're talking about. Okay. 14. See, she already knows, man. Like, she don't even try to. So don't. She knows, right, dear? She knows. She knows. She knows. All right. So, thank you guys for coming again. Join the class if you want to know, if you want to learn more, and and again, thank you for all the gifts, and thanks for all the support. We're very passionate about this. We think it's a very important work, and we're glad to spend our time to do it. And we're grateful for all of the responses, and just thank you for being here. And we'll see you guys probably tomorrow. All right. Whoa.